You want to know what I learned the most about getting into business for myself? It wasn't about the money. It wasn't about the customers. It was actually the lack of support from friends and family. And I'm okay with that at this point. But if I recollect, because of where I'm at in life at this point, I actually can start to see where this actually took place and where it got started. So when I was stationed in Alaska in 2016, that's actually when it started. Now, Alaska is very far, don't get me wrong, and it is expensive, right? So during that time, I only ever had one person come visit me, and that was an ex girlfriend. But also, I went home and I went to go visit all of my friends, all of my family that were still in Pennsylvania at the time. And then I also came down here to visit my mom and my dad, right? So, you know, but when I had then said, hey, come visit me, other than that one person, it was just crickets, right? And so, what I would say to anyone who's getting off and going off to venture in their own business, no matter what it is, once you have the knowledge, once you know how to perform what you know how to do well, don't worry about the friends and family. Because I'm going to tell you why. If you can do those two things, the support from strangers will come in. Because those exact strangers are the ones that you're working on their stuff, whether it's a car, whether it's a computer, whether it's whatever, right? So the majority, and I'm going to say 99.999% of my support are coming from strangers who are not my wife, who are not my dad. And the reason why I say that is because even sharing social media, right? I shared it out to friends and family, and you saw that silence? That's exactly what I got back in return. I got silence, a peep. Or you'll hear, oh, I'll check it out, but they don't. So I stopped doing that. And you the sooner you focus on what you do, I promise you, your hard work, your perseverance will pay off and it will show off in the long run. And those exact same friends and family are going to come in and they're going to start saying, oh, I'm so proud of you. I'm so this, I'm so that. Now, whether you want to call them out on that, that's you. I'm that type of person. And I will say that to them because that's just how I am. I don't like when people are fake or phonies, you know? And it's not, I'm not trying to paint my personal family and friends as bad people. They're not. They have their own lives. I have my own life as well. But if I'm willing to make certain sacrifices for you, I would expect the exact in return. And if I don't get it in return, then I say it's okay, it's cool. But I would tell anyone, put your energy into things and people who put their energy into you. And in the long run, that will save you a long list of headache and time. And you're going to end up being in a place where you are comfortable being in your own skin, comfortable doing whatever it is that you're doing, and knowing that you have a great product to put out to the world, right? You need to go ahead and do whatever it is that you need to do to ensure that you make it. Because if you don't believe in yourself, no one else will. No one else will. And trust me, I'm not the only entrepreneur and businessman that has this exact same mindset. You can ask about 10 random businessmen, and I guarantee you that this will show up. The lack of support from their family and friends. But like I said, guys, it's perfectly fine because where you would have been getting that lack in, you're going to get an uprise of support from people who are not related to you, from people that you may not have grown up with. And it's okay. It's okay. It's perfectly fine. I promise you. I promise you. And once you find that, there's going to be a great satisfaction. I promise you. I just started this business last March. And taking the many steps, working hard. People don't see all the planning that I have to do. People don't see all of the parts that I got to buy. People don't see all the knowledge that I had to gain over the past 6 years of being in this business, right? People don't see when I'm struggling underneath a car. They don't. You only see when I start working on the car and start recording. So what I would say is continue grinding, continue pushing, because the support that you're going to get is going to be worth it. And I promise you, you will be happy. You just got to keep pushing. And if you guys enjoyed this story time, go ahead and like and follow. And let me know if anyone who is a business person, let me know what was your biggest surprise as a person who went off and started their own business. Or let me know, even if you didn't start your own business, how do you feel about what I said? So go ahead and comment that down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.